Anna loved working at the small bakery in her town. Every morning, the smell of freshly baked bread and sweet pastries filled the air, and customers lined up for their favorite treats. Anna worked hard to keep everything running smoothly, but lately, something strange was happening. Our flour is disappearing, Anna said to her friend Peter one afternoon. And the jar of nuts is half empty again. I'm sure I stocked it yesterday. Peter, who often helped Anna at the bakery, frowned. That's weird. Do you think someone's stealing them? Anna shook her head. Why would anyone take flour and nuts and leave everything else? Peter nodded thoughtfully. We should find out. Let's stay late tonight and keep watch. That evening, after the bakery closed, Anna and Peter hid behind the counter. The room was quiet except for the soft hum of the refrigerator. Hours passed, and Anna began to feel sleepy. Just as she was about to nod off, she heard a faint scratching sound near the storage shelves. Peter nudged her and pointed. Over there, he whispered. Anna peeked around the counter and gasped. A small group of squirrels had crawled through a hole in the wall. One of them was dragging a bag of flour, while another carried a walnut in its tiny paws. They're stealing the ingredients, Peter whispered, trying not to laugh. Anna watched in amazement as the squirrels worked together, carrying the items through the hole. No wonder we've been losing so much, she said. The next morning, Anna and Peter inspected the wall. The hole was small but big enough for squirrels to squeeze through. We need to fix this, Peter said, but I feel bad for them. They're just trying to prepare for winter. Anna smiled. I have an idea. They patched the hole with a piece of sturdy wood to keep the squirrels out of the bakery. Then, Anna prepared a small box filled with nuts, seeds, and scraps of bread. She placed it outside, near the tree where the squirrels lived. This is for them, she said. That way, they won't go hungry, and we won't lose our ingredients. Over the next few days, Anna noticed the squirrels visiting the box of food. They seemed happy with their new arrangement, and the bakery's supplies stayed intact. One evening, as Anna was closing the bakery, she looked outside and saw a squirrel sitting on the tree branch, holding a walnut. It almost looked like it was waving at her. Anna smiled and waved back. Thank you for the mystery, little friends, she said. From that day on, Anna kept the food box filled and felt a new connection to her furry neighbors. The bakery was peaceful again, and Anna and Peter often laughed about their adventure. It wasn't every day you solved a mystery with squirrels as the culprits.